Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have been up with the chickens this morning, and I don't have any chickens. This morning, my city is having a tree giveaway event, and I am going to take part in it for the first time ever.
Go past this light, then at the next one.
Okay, that was my GPS. He was letting me know. His name is Courtney. Courtney was letting me know where I need to go. So excuse the interruption because Courtney's rude. But this morning I'm on my way to a free fruit tree giveaway. And when I get there, I'll show you what's going on. Bye, y'all. See you soon. I hope you guys can hear me. I have my sunroof open because that's just how I feel this morning. The sun is coming up behind me. I hope you guys can see it. It is so beautiful. I love mornings like this. I'm almost there. You all see that beautiful orb behind me. The glow is just magnificent. Look at that.
Continue.
The sun is beautiful. Ah! I am so put out. It is 7:54 in the morning. The event was supposed to start at 8:30. And there are cars lined up for miles. And I just talked to the police officer because they have this huge electric sign that says no more trees. And I was like, it was supposed to start at 8:30. He goes, they got here at 4 in the morning. Huh? That's not what the sign said. Notification said it was supposed to be here, supposed to start at 8:30, not 4 in the morning. I'm so put out. I'm so incredibly put out. Oh! Okay, now that I've had a chance to calm down and I'm no longer trapped amongst a horde of people. If I would have known that the event was so early in the morning, I would have gotten here. But the policeman said they were sold out by 6 o'clock. I was already up at 6, so there was no way I was going to be over here at 5 in the morning. I'm sorry. It's dark, and I'm
in
familiar.
1 mile.
Hold on,
Turn left.
it's still on because Courtney's trying to navigate me through this older part of town. I'm kind of sort of familiar with over here, but not 100%. And so I wanted to make sure that I got there, I didn't get lost, and I could get away without having to double back because there's like a million and one people over there. So I'm able to get through the area just fine, but there's no way I was going to be on the street at 5 in the morning on the weekend. I'm sorry, but I'm so put out right now because I expected there to be an actual time frame that was what was posted on the website. Not they show up with all the trees at 4 in the morning, they start giving trees away, and by 6 they're out. I mean, come on now. That was not what was said. I am in the mindset I might write a letter. I might write a letter and send them a notification of disappointment because that was just wrong. I expected to be in a line, but I did not expect to get there and they started the event hours before the event was supposed to start. So that's my rant for today. This is my Car Chronicles. I'm going home. I can't do any shopping. I'm done. I'm done. I can't even go to the Goodwill, y'all. Goodwill does not open up till 10 o'clock. Why? Can somebody explain this to me? It's early morning. Like, it's what, 8:46, and I had to drop some stuff off. I didn't have to, but I'm continuing to try to lessen the load. So I come over here. I tried to do it yesterday, but the back street was so congested with people. I don't know what was going on over there that I ended up not going. I was like, I'm not gonna deal with it, so I left. I am over here now, and it doesn't open till 10. What's wrong? Is it because I'm mature And I'm used to getting up, getting things done, and then having the rest of my day to do whatever I choose, like take a nap, work in the garden, or whatever I want to do. But now you're going to hold me up because you don't want to open up till 10 o'clock. Come on. Oh, goodness gracious. You know what? I wasn't going to do any shopping today, but I wanted to walk around Goodwill because I dropped some few things off. I just wanted to walk around, see what I can see. If anything like real cheap that, catches my eye for the garden, I might have picked it up. But you are not allowing me to be great because you don't want to go to work at a decent time. I mean, come on, 10 o'clock. I gotta go home. I'm feeling some kind of way today. Oh my goodness. It's not my day. So I hope you guys enjoyed my disappointment today, that you feel my pain, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now, y'all.